Today I'm gonna teach you how to schedule your story in your Business Meta suite for Facebook page and Instagram at the same time. Click on this content or planner as a calendar icon here. Click on this. After clicking, you have to select the date and time when you want to upload or schedule your story. So for example, today is 5th of August and I want to add a story to uh, 9 of the August. Okay, click on this plus. Now it will ask for scheduling post, story, reel, ad. So if I want a story, then I will click on story, and if I simply want a post, then I will click on post. But here the story is concerned. Click on story, select the time. For example, my story time will be 8 p.m. both on Facebook and Instagram. 8 p.m. So you have to save it. Then you have to add media. For example, if I want to add this, sorry, yes, if I want to add another multiple picture, you can select 9. Okay, I don't want to upload this, so I am deleting this, and I am again selecting another one. So once these these posts, stories you want to schedule have been selected, then this schedule story, this button will become enabled, but still this is not enabled. So wait for the next. I selected, and I can select up to 10 pictures at a time for story. So now this is enabled. Click on schedule story, or almost the story is scheduled here and it will show here automatically. That is evident. Okay, this is for Instagram, this is for Facebook, and what is one more? Yes, as two photos for selected for the story purpose, so it will show in 4 sections, and two for Instagram and two for Facebook. Hopefully you will get it beneficial, and follow for more subscribers. If any query, you can ask us in the comment sections. We will try our best to solve and fix the problems. Very thankful to you.